Today at Tees Components we're formally opening our new training facility. This has been several months in the making. We've invested over £100,000 in new equipment, in refurbishment, and we're just absolutely delighted to be able to finally open this facility and create new jobs for apprentices. So really what we're trying to get to is having lots of different workstations for our apprentices to be able to train and work independently.
I'm absolutely enthralled by what they're doing. This is about the future. This is about our young people getting the skills that they need in order to go forward, not just within Redcar and Cleveland, but across the Tees Valley, that we need these skilled young people, and this is absolutely the impetus of what we're seeing here today in this company.
We've worked with Tees Components since the day dot. They've always been passionate about training the skills of tomorrow. Just in the last 5 years, they've taken 50 apprentices and work experience placements. They take them all on at the end of their apprenticeships, so it's a great company that loves to employ local labour and is always looking to innovate the way that they train and develop their staff.
Apprenticeships are really important to Tees Components because it allows us to develop our future workforce. And we're committed to increasing the number of apprentices that we take on every year. As a result, we want young people to put their CVs in so we can fill the places that we've got at Tees Components.